Sander. Ingay mula sa telepono ang gumising sa akin. Slowly open my eyes at ang napakagandang mukha ng babaeng pinakamamahal ko ang tumambad sa akin. I can't help but smile to myself. We made love countless times last night. I can't even remember how many times we did it, but all I can remember is how wonderful and magical it is. I won't mind waking up every day with her by my side. Dinampian ko muna ang kanyang ulo ng isang mabining halik bago tumayo at hanapin ang cellphone na kanina pa nag-iingay. Andy is still peacefully sleeping at hindi nagigising sa ingay. She was probably too tired from last night. I look at my phone but it's not ringing. I trace where the sound was coming from at natuntun kong